I'm going to show you hotels.viajes, cars.flights, and suit.style. And this is GoDaddy's IMG1.WSIMG.com header injections that included LAKANA and Nexstar Media Group malware. Now, on the left, you have GoDaddy's Go Central platform, where I showed this to Darren Ruse that I showed him why are all these links and what is this Google Analytics account number doing in the header of my websites? Well, a couple days later, they changed it to what's on the right. I am using a Tor browser to show how GoDaddy's IMGs and Expedia's TRVL-PX is being downloaded into my websites. Here you can see Expedia's TRVL-PX in both their own site, in my websites, in VRBO, and HomeAway. This is a very interesting slide because you see travel pics, which GoDaddy and Expedia use to inject their malware with, but right above is batbing.com, and I'm going to do an entire segment on batbing because GoDaddy is a travel affiliate company. But right now, we are going to watch what is being downloaded into my sites that the Tor browser is catching.
Front page of
Here you can see what's coming into my websites using the Tor browser.
But watch right. Do you see that?
You can see the IMGs. You can see the hostile takeovers that redirect the traffic. But in this video, you can also see that Expedia has taken over the inner portion of hotels.viajes. Watch it load here. And this isn't supposed to look like that, by the way. The add your property, that's not supposed to be there. That's Expedia getting caught. Watch how you can see it load here. It's in slow motion, so you can see the images. Watch that. Look at that. The Tor browser catches this.
Watch this again. So, and
now, Travel Pixel, I believe, is a Ross Weber product. But you can see on the left here Expedia and Travel Pixel. And then they injected that same script into hotels.viajes in the middle. And then on the right is a new version of Expedia, year and a half later. And that has Travel Pixel in it as well. Vegas, baby. Travel Pixel injection. This entire thing has been taken over by Expedia. And by right-clicking and inspecting the element, you can see that Expedia has completely taken over Vegas.baby. Now, Travel Pixel, when you do a Who Is I Can, has the exact same address as Tiki.com, Ross Weber's company. You just saw that flash gray. because when it starts flashing gray, that's when GoDaddy has taken over the header. Now, the thing I want to show in this segment right here with suit.style is that suit.style / hyphen or hashtag, that is the hack that is in mask.care right here. Watch it come in. It's right there.
They say there's not one officially just yet. Rafael, what's your sense about this potential deal? Obviously, there are outstanding issues between the U.S. and Mexico, not just on immigration itself, but on trade. Is there an extra incentive for Mexico to be trying to maybe sweeten their relationship up in order to get something back on their end? Well, the reality is that this situation is costing the Mexican government money. They have had to provide for shelter, for food in different stages of the Karen throughout the country, and I could possibly see a situation where there's some sort of financial aid from the United States to take care of these immigrants in exchange for them staying in Mexico. I'm not saying that that has happened, but that's a possibility of what could happen.
So I know what's happening here. What's happening is earlier, this screenshot that I took, you see this TRVL-PX.com? This, I believe, is a Ross Weber, I allege, because it's registered in the same place Tiki.com is, and I think in downtown Seattle. And this is the, I believe they put this in the header, and this is domain shadowing. This is the link that is domain shadowing myhotels.viajes. So I think it's really interesting that I have been complaining about this link, which I believe is Ross Weber, and there it is directly the umbilical cord that is stealing from me. So I've caught these guys.